Hi, I'm doing Paul McWhorter's Arduino Uno R4 lessons, and I'm up to lesson number 44, which is all about playing music using passive buzzer. I didn't think I was going to be able to do this lesson because the storm got my hard drive, but all is well now, I hope. And maybe after hearing my tune, you'll wish that I hadn't been able to make it, but at least it's quite short. Now, I've got all the notes in another file called notes.h. There we go, nothing interesting about that. And then I've got an array of the notes called tune. And apart from that, I'm just going through the array and playing it. So I will just upload this. Right, that's my tune.